In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Beats Studio Pro, which means how to pair them, but also how to use every features that they can offer. So let's get started right away. So after unboxing your Beats Studio Pro, you need to pair them with your phone, computer, or tablet. And to know which side is which, it's very easy. On the left side, you're gonna see written left ear. On the right side, there's nothing written, but obviously it's the right side. So how to pair them? Very easy. Over here on the right side, you have a button. This is the power button. What you need to do is to keep it pressed during 2 seconds until you see all these lights flashing. 1, 2, it's flashing. You can release the button. This means that the headphones are now in pairing mode. So take your smartphone or computer, whatever device you want to pair them with. If you have an iPhone, it's even easier. You're going to have a screen here showing you Beats Studio Pro with a button that you need to press to pair them, and you're done. If you have an Android phone or you're trying to pair them with a PC or Mac, you need to go into the Bluetooth settings. On Android, you just need to swipe down, see the Bluetooth logo here, just keep it pressed until you enter the Bluetooth menu, where you're going to see every devices that are around you, and you're going to see Beats Studio Pro. Just need to tap once on them like this. You should get a small message here, pair, perfect. And you're going to hear a noise coming out of the headphones, just confirming that they're paired. On Android, they will ask you if you want to associate these headphones to your Google account. This way, it's easier to pair them if you have other Google devices. In my case, I don't want, so I'll just tap anywhere else on the screen and I'm good to go. You can now use them to take calls and listen to music. On the left side ear cup, to know that is the left side, it's written over here, left ear. You're going to see that there are some buttons. Actually, you don't see the buttons. They're hidden here. To answer a call, when you get one, you just have to press on the B button, the Beats logo, once, like this. If you want to reject this call, press twice on the button. If you want to adjust the volume while you're speaking with that person, just press above the logo. And if you want to reduce the volume, just press below it. When you're done talking and you want to hang up on that person, press the logo. And the conversation will end. So the buttons are located on the left ear cup. To play your song, you just have to press on the B logo once. To pause your song while it's playing, just press again on the B logo. If you want to lower the volume, press under the B button as many times as you wish. If you want to raise the volume, press as many times above the B. If you want to go to the next song, you're going to press on the B logo twice, like this. If you want to go to the previous song, press the B logo 3 times. So these headphones are compatible with Find My, although it's pretty limited in the kind of feature it offers, and I will explain why. But in case you're wondering how to do it, it's very easy. You just need to make sure that these are paired with an Apple device, like an iPhone or a Mac computer. Mine are paired with my iPhone. You'll need to download the Find My app. You probably have it. And sorry that I'm blurring things out, it's just I don't want people to stalk me. And from the app, you'll need to tap on Devices, that is right below here. In the list, you should see appearing Beats Studio Pro. If you rename them, obviously you'll have to search for the name that you give them. Once you see them on the list, just tap on them. You'll have on the top a map showing where they are, and you can zoom in to check exactly where they are. You'll also get an approximate address, and you'll also be able to play sound, so in case they're around you, to better find them. Okay, what are the limitations that I was talking about? Well, first of all, if you want to play a sound, they need to be turned on. If they're turned off, I tried many times. Unfortunately, it won't wake up the headphones. They will simply stay silent. So if they're turned on, it will work. If not, good luck. Second of all, these headphones are not like small AirTags. What I mean by this is that they will show you on this map the last place where the headphones have been connected to your iPhone or Mac computer. So let's say you're listening to them at the hotel, you leave and you forgot them and somebody just stole them in the meanwhile, where unfortunately you'll see on the Find My app that they're still at the hotel. The app won't be able to track them if somebody moved them from the last location they have been connected to your phone or Mac computer. But I guess it's still better than nothing. So the thing you need to know is you can't access them simply by using them via Bluetooth. To access to these options, you absolutely need a USB Type-C cable. The one included in the box works very well. You'll need to connect one end to your Beats Studio Pro and the other end to your source. Could be an Android phone with a USB Type-C plug, or like in my case, my MacBook Air has a USB port as well. And then you'll be able to unlock this feature on your Beats Studio Pro. So when connected via USB Type-C, by the way, you can use this connection to listen to lossless audio, depending on where you're streaming, but you also have access to the different profiles mode that I just talked about. So first thing, turn them on, and then with the power button, you'll be able to switch between the 3 different modes. To know which of these 3 profiles you're using, you need to check the lights on the side of the headphones, which is not very easy when you're wearing them. So the first sound profile is when you see only one light in the middle being lit up. This means that you're in Beats signature mode. This means, according to Beats, that this offers the most tonality balanced tuning of the 3 sound profiles, and it's well suited to all genres of music. When Beats signature is enabled, one LED light on the right ear cup will turn on. Then let's switch to the next one by double-clicking this power button. You'll have 2 lights separated by one light that is not lit over here. This is entertainment mode. And it's supposed to boost selected frequencies for movies and games. And finally, the last one, if we double click, we should enter in conversation profile. This is great for voices in case you're talking with a video chat or a call. Or if you're watching a movie where actors talk a lot and you want the voices to sound very clear, well, you need to be in the last mode, which is conversation mode. So these are the 3 different ones, and you absolutely need to be plugged in and listen over a USB Type-C to your source.